everybody, and welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey, Carr.
Hey, Mel.
Hey.
I have the coolest thing to show you today.
You do?
Yes.
What are we doing today? That looks like paper.
It looks like paper, but it's actually cardstock, so it's a little thicker.
Okay.
And so what you want to do is start with a square piece of cardstock.
Okay.
And this one's kind of pre-folded, but I'm going to explain what all the folds are.
All right.
So you're going to fold it in half.
Fold it in half.
Right? So it looks like a hot dog style.
Okay.
And then each end, you're going to fold in half again.
Okay.
In the opposite direction.
All right.
All right.
And fold again.
Okay, yep. And then you can already see this crease.
Yes.
The ends, you're going to fold it in the opposite direction.
Okay, got it.
One more time. Super
Got it.
easy, right?
Yep.
Isn't that cool?
That looks super cool. And what else is going to happen?
Okay.
Yeah.
So after you fold your cardstock, you're going to want to take just a regular old rubber band and staple it to the end. And it doesn't matter which end you staple it to, wherever you staple the rubber band to, that's going to be your front.
Okay.
So as you can see, I recycled some cardstock.
Yes.
So when you fold it up, you're going to fold it up like that. Mm-hmm. And then your rubber band's going to come out the front. And then you want to pull it over this center part to the other side, but you don't want to put it all the way down.
Oh, okay.
You want to leave it just right at the top.
Sort of like an angle.
At an angle, exactly. Okay?
Got
it might fold up on you a little bit, and that's okay.
Gotta hold it just a little bit. You want me to hold that?
I think if I do that, we'll be okay.
Okay.
So I got a brand new rubber band to show you this cool thing I'm making.
All right.
Okay?
A cool rubber band paper.
Yep. So I've got this little area right here where I can take my paper airplane.
Oh, that's a cool airplane.
And stick it right there.
Right.
So the back of my airplane is here, and that rubber band is right here, and I'm actually going to scoot it towards the top just a little bit more. Okay?
Yep.
And then we're going to see what happens when I pull. I'm holding these two ends.
What's going to happen? Okay.
These two little parts here. Right. I'm holding those, and I'm just going to slowly pull them apart from the back.
And we're going to see. Fly, right? Whoa.
Wasn't that cool?
That was super cool.
Who knew cardstock was so awesome?
I know,
so
right?
I have one for you.
You do.
That's already folded up.
Hands on Science, HOS.
I've got you a stapler.
Okay.
And I've got you a rubber band.
Great.
So
did you make me an airplane though?
I made you 2 airplanes.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Well,
so while Mel staples that, guys, if you liked this activity as much as we did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe for more Hands on Science.
All right.
We'll see you next time.